would like to give introduction of the program on behalf of GIPCL Academy family. Before I give the introduction of this program, I would like to share some figures with you. As a country, India has only 1% of total vehicle used in the world. But if we see the number of road accidents, our share is about 11%. Another report estimates the crash cost of rupees 5.96 lakh crore or 3.14% of GDP. Here, another research also says the reason behind it is an awareness about the road safety and the rules. As a school, we feel our responsibility towards society is something more than formal education. So, it is a small initiative from our school toward the society to create awareness about road safety and its rules under the kind leadership of our principal sir Sri Vaibhav Agrawal. Our secretary Sri S.P. Rao was kind enough to grant us permission to organize this event. Thank you.
On behalf of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan GIPCL Academy, I welcome you all. As you know, this is a small initiative taken by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan GIPCL Academy to make aware all our students, nearby residents, villagers about road safety. As our teacher Sudhanshu ji has already explained how critical condition is there as far as the loss of resource is concerned, people is concerned during the accident, to make aware public as well as students so that we can minimize the loss and enjoy the traffic. So on behalf of once again GIPCL Academy, I welcome Dr. Janam Thakur
for this cycle rally. I would like to begin by sharing a couple of things. See, road accidents are a thing which is very serious. At the same time, it is extremely avoidable. Okay. As long as we maintain proper safety precautions and we are aware about what the rules say and how to make ourselves safe, okay, road accidents can be prevented. If I would like to add a couple of facts to what Mr. Sudhanshu said earlier. If you look at it in absolute terms, then one road accident happens in the country every 4 minutes, right? And out of all those accidents, nearly 10% of them are fatal. Okay, so if you look at the human cost and in addition to the economic cost that Sudhanshu ji already explained, if you look at the human cost, then there are so many lives which are lost pointlessly. Okay, and many of these lives can be these fatalities, many of these accidents can easily be prevented just by using a few basic safety precautions which are advised time and again by the government. I'll give you of the Road Safety Month, which is organized by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. This rally has been organized as a part of an awareness effort. So I commend all of you at GIPCL Academy for organizing this awareness rally and for performing a Nukkad Natak so that all the villagers nearby understand the gravity of road safety and how to achieve road safety and how to get motivated. Basically, the issue with road safety has more to do with IEC, information, education, and communication. We often see that people in villages often travel without driving licenses. They are not certified to drive yet, and there are very people of who are below 18 years of age. They usually drive vehicles. Absolutely nobody uses a helmet, right? So road safety is more about compliance. It's more about IEC campaigns.
Right.
So for undertaking such a wonderful campaign on behalf of GIPCL Academy, I thank all of you. And I'm honored to be a part of such an initiative. And I hope that in the future, I can contribute more towards such initiatives by GIPCL Academy in my personal or professional capacity. I again commend all of you and wish all of you all the very best for today's function. And with that, I would like to complete my speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now I would like to
Thank you.
request to Secretary Shri, please say a few words and vote of thanks. Good afternoon to everyone. Dr. Janay Thakur, SDM Mandvi, Vaibhav Agrawal, Principal BVV GIPCL Academy, all the teachers of BVV GIPCL Academy and students. I would like to thank all of you and Mangrol Police Station for providing a facility and permission. As rightly said by Dr. Thakur, that road safety is very important in our life. So all are requested to please what you are doing in day-to-day life, please take care and follow the same and advise each and every student of the school as well as family member as well as society to follow the safety rules, which is very important for each and every individual. Once again, thank you all of you and wish you all the best to the all participants. Thank you.